Imagine applying for a job, and the first person who decides your future is not a human. In 2025, millions of resumes are never read by recruiters. They are screened, ranked, and rejected by AI systems. So the real question is, are HR and recruitment jobs being replaced or completely redefined? Recruitment was once a human craft. HR professionals read resumes, interviewed candidates, judged personality, and matched people with company culture. It was considered a people-centric profession, safe from machines, but hiring also involved huge amounts of repetitive filtering and sorting. Today, AI can already scan thousands of resumes in seconds, rank candidates by skills, analyze video interviews, and even predict employee performance. Many companies now use AI as the first recruiter. If AI rejects you, no human ever sees your application. This changes everything about HR. The most vulnerable tasks include resume screening, candidate shortlisting, scheduling interviews, and basic assessments. These are rule-based and data-driven, exactly where AI excels. This means fewer junior recruiters are needed. Will HR managers disappear? No. But the role is shifting. AI struggles with understanding real human motivation, conflicts, and culture fit. Future HR will focus more on strategy, employee experience, leadership development, and complex negotiations. Here's the other side. Job seekers must now write AI-friendly resumes, use the right keywords, and structure experience for algorithms. Your first interview is often with a machine. This is why many talented people feel invisible. If you work in HR, here's the survival plan. Learn AI tools deeply, not as a threat, but as your assistant. Move beyond screening. Develop human skills. AI can't copy like empathy and negotiation. And become the ethical controller of AI, humans must supervise fairness. AI is not ending HR. It is ending old-style HR. Those who adapt will become more powerful. Those who ignore will struggle. This video was created using HeyGen. No camera, no studio, just smart technology. Explore HeyGen through the link in the description.